kids, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see 10 lines on a day in my village. A day in my village is calm, fresh and peaceful. I wake up early to the sounds of birds singing. The air in the village feels clean and pure. I love walking through the green fields. Children play outdoor games like kabaddi. Farmers work in the fields with their animals. I enjoy visiting the village pond in the evening. The people in my village are kind and friendly. At night, the sky is full of bright stars. A day in my village makes me feel happy and connected to nature. Thank you for watching. Please share, like and subscribe my channel.